All right, I want to share an amazing item with you guys, this leather jacket. It's more of a splurge, but so worth it because these are just timeless and something you can keep in your closet forever. But I want to show you what I love about this one. I mean, the fit's amazing, the quality's amazing, but if you're gonna spend money on something like this, you want something that's versatile. And I love that you can keep it super casual with this little like hoodie look, or that comes completely out. So you can then dress it up with like jeans and heels, wear it with a cute little dress. And I think that is so cool and important, but it's so, so pretty. Fits so well. I'm wearing a size small for reference. Pockets, it's got pockets up here. Probably won't use those much, but so good.